What I've got here is a hardened steel axle. I'm trying to drill a couple of dowel holes through, and the drill bit I've got in there is your run-of-the-mill high-speed drill bit that you use on mild steel, anything else, and it's not even touching that. So I went and bought a couple of carbide bit tips that are for masonry, cement. So I'm going to kind of do a comparison. I got this one, an Ace brand. It doesn't specify on there anywhere it's a carbide tip or anything on there, but I can see the insert in there. And then I also bought an Artu bit, and it has some good reviews I've seen on YouTube, so I thought I'd try it out. And it states on there it's a cobalt and tungsten carbide tip. So I looked at them, cut the package open a little bit, and get it to focus there, if it will. Probably not. But as far as appearance go, these two bits look identical. I don't see any difference, but we'll see. I'm gonna chuck up this Ace drill bit first and see what it does. They say to run it at a high RPM, and my thought is on that, they say to use oil. Normally use oil when you're drilling metals. But my thinking on this with the tungsten cobalt is it's going to get way hot, and it's going to hold. It's going to hold its integrity, the carbide tip, where the metal is not, and it will start to melt and cut. That's my thought. That's what I'm thinking. So let's see what it does. Okay, I've got the Ace True Value bit put in there, and I'm gonna get ready and try it. I did a file test on this. The file won't even touch this rod. It's a tool steel. It's some hardened steel. I can't tell you what it is, but all right, let's give it a whirl. I can't believe it's doing it. Barely. Got pretty good pressure on it. Got to kind of be gentle with this because it's an 1/8 of an inch drill bit, so I don't want to snap it. There it's going through it pretty easy now. going through real easy now. Stop cutting. I think what it did is I've melted that bit all the way up. It's totally gone. Remember when I started, that drill bit was clear down, almost touching the shaft. Melted that bit. So maybe it wasn't cutting. I'll pause out and see what's going on. Okay, now I got the Artu bit put in, and I'm going to start in the same hole. This time I'm going to use a little bit of water for a coolant, and I'll be drilling the other drill bit out, hopefully. We'll see what happens. It's going to be kind of hard to do this. Hold the camera and do this at the same time. Here we go. Seems to be cutting better right off the bat. Remember, there's another drill bit down in there, and probably another piece of carbide. see what happens. Okay, we're all the way through now. Well, it surprises me. Oops, sorry. Focus. I only got one more dowel hole to drill, and hopefully this will go through with a little bit of water for coolant. There you go. It's probably not a fair comparison because I didn't use any coolant on the ace drill bit. On the other hand, the Artu bit drilled out the ace brand. It melted off inside there. It didn't break, it just melted off. It just melted in there in that hole, and then the R2 drilled it out. Alright, there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. Bye.